Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2016 Can-Am SPYDER F3T SE6 with 1,090 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, reverse, and a multifunction 2-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with convex mirrors. The SPYDER is a versatile vehicle offering thrilling performance and long-distance comfort on the stability of 3 wheels. Powered by a 1330cc 3-cylinder engine with a 6-speed transmission, the SPYDER produces 115 horsepower and 96 foot-pounds of torque. It has a 30.4-inch seat height and a dry weight of 1,012 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.